Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to English Masti. I'm your host, Krishna, and today I'm going to share something incredibly powerful with you. It's a simple 10-minute daily routine that can completely change your English speaking skills. Yes, just 10 minutes a day. And if you follow this every single day, your fluency will grow, your confidence will rise, and speaking English will become natural for you. Most people think they need long classes or big grammar books to improve their English, but the truth is different. Your brain learns language best through small daily practice, not long once-in-a-while study sessions. Even 10 minutes a day keeps your brain active, helps you remember faster, and trains your mind to think in English. So, today, I'll show you a simple 5-step 10-minute routine that you can follow anywhere. Let's begin. Why 10 minutes is enough? 10 minutes may look small, but 1 month gives you 300 minutes of English practice, which means 5 hours of real learning. Daily contact keeps your English alive. Your mind stays ready, and fluency grows naturally. The 10-minute routine. Step 1. Listen. For 2 minutes. Choose a simple English audio or video. Make sure you understand at least 80%. While listening, don't translate. Focus on rhythm. Notice how words connect. Use the same short audio for 5 to 7 days. Step 2. Speak out loud. For 2 minutes. Repeat a few sentences from the audio. Copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone. Speaking is a physical skill, so your mouth needs practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Step 3. Personalize. Now change the sentences and make them about your own life. Example, audio. I wake up early. You, I wake up at 7. Or, I don't wake up early on weekends. This step makes English meaningful and memorable. Step 4. Free speaking. Speak freely for 2 minutes without stopping. Talk about anything. Your day, tomorrow's plan, your thoughts, your room. The goal is flow, not perfection. Step 5. Reflect. Think about your practice. What felt easy? What felt difficult? Where did you hesitate? Reflection helps you grow faster. Does this really work? Yes, because repetition builds confidence. Daily practice builds memory. Speaking every day builds fluency. Personalizing English connects it to your life. The secret is not studying more. The secret is studying daily. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Even 5 minutes is better than nothing. Mistake 2. Waiting for perfection. Perfect grammar is not required to speak. Progress matters more. Mistake 3. Boring practice. If you feel bored, your brain stops learning. Choose topics you enjoy. My friends, the power to become fluent is already in your hands. Not in a special app, not in an expensive course. Fluency grows in small daily moments. In your kitchen, during a walk, before sleeping, even while brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a 10-minute timer, follow these steps, and watch your English improve day by day. Thank you so much for listening to English Masti. This is Krishna signing off. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.